Today I'm going to talk about the interactive mode that is provided by Python. So if we want to suppose run a file or Python script, we can run it by simply calling. But here what will happen, as soon as we exit the script, we exit from the program. But suppose if we want to inspect some global variables, we can just type python3 -i and then name of our script. Here you see we are inside the interactive mode, and if we want to, we can actually access all the variables that are present in the global stack. Now if you want to perform certain type of calculations, you can do it here. And to quit from the terminal, you simply have to type Ctrl D and you are exited from the terminal. Now this mode is very helpful to you if you are performing huge operations and want to see the intermediate results. Now I have this another file. I am trying to open a file, but it will raise an exception. So what I will do, I'll just run it with my inspect mode and we will see what is going to happen. So as soon as the exception got raised, we are entered in the interactive mode and we can actually check what led to the exception, but this line never got executed due to the exception. So now this is the functionality that is provided by the Python interpreter, so it is very handy, and if you want to use it, you can use it in your applications.